When someone has a defective organ or a lost limb, most believe that their only option is to receive a transplant or suffer as is, but can you imagine an entire new way of healing? The normal human response to any sort of external abrasion is to immediately clot, then scab, and then leave behind scar tissue. This is ridiculously inefficient and leaves behind a plug, but not a fix. Medicine is starting to turn from simply healing to recreating and regenerating ailments by utilizing stem cells, cell differentiation, and previous knowledge from regenerating animals, such as salamanders. Stem cell regeneration has already been in the game, and they have in fact already grown and transplanted a human bladder into a patient. However, this is one specific organ with a specific task. Can you imagine growing an entire arm with all kinds of different systems running through it? Well, there is one species here on Earth that can do just that. Salamanders have this little tiny gene known as the new anterior grader, or NAG protein. This is the holy grail of limb generation, so the question is, how do they do it? They are different than any other form of adult vertebrae in their ability to regenerate from a small blastoma, which is basically just a stub of embryonic-like stem cells that initiate regeneration. These blastoma cells know what they are, where they are, and what to make. What? Cells thinking? Well, not exactly. They recognize their locations and, for example, if a limb is lost at the wrist, they know to make a hand. And if it is lost at the shoulder, they know to make an arm. How do they do that? It is known as positional memory. This collagen synthesizing protein contains axons, which allow for regrown material to have something to grab onto. It also halts the production of scar tissue, which is regeneration's greatest enemy, due to the fact that it stops the process before it even begins. Collagen is the key to regeneration and is what differentiates human healing from salamanders. Rather than forming cartilaginous scar tissue, collagen allows for continued growth. They are able to immediately go from a fifth of their body gone to completely regrown in less than 2 months. Within each of the salamander's limbs are nerves, blood vessels, bone, skin, and many other complex bodily parts that are similar to humans, which makes us think, can we do it too? Research has shown that the NAG protein is present in some human fibroblast cells, which are basically just a form of sticky protein. This type of growth is present in human fingertips. When a finger is lost, it heals with just simple cleaning and dressing. When it comes back, it regenerates the contour and fingerprints that were once present. During this regeneration, embryonic genes are active in the undifferentiated proliferating cells at the wound site, indicating that they are blastoma cells. This is due to the fact that blastoma cells in salamanders mimic embryonic cells. The finger regains feeling, meaning that nerves are able to be regrown. Stem cell research is already vastly underway in the direction of regeneration, but with the discovery and use of the NAG protein, new doors will be opened.